How you eating soup, please? She don't believe that you eat soup. What soup? Soup. What type of soup? Tell mommy what type of soup. What's in it?
BennyAshSoup.
What soup?
BennyAshSoup.
Okay, what's in it?
Beef, big, special.
No, התקורות. התקורות!
And chicken.
You like it, right? It tastes very good.
And haluka.
Yeah.
And
Kurica,
that thing. And
barley,
And
barley. Well, open up your
barley.
mouth. Kurica.
And kurita.
Shasol kashlit menchi. Come on. Nathan, come here.
Thank you.
Nathan, show mommy how you're eating with daddy. See? How many soup did you eat so far?
2.
1.5.
3.
Come here, Nathan. Markovka.
We eat 3 soup.
Not 3. You ate 2.
No, 3.
2 bowls.
3. I said
Eitan, come here.
Why are you putting? How the Markovka?
I'm cutting it.
Papa, how
Eitan, open up your mouth. Eitan.
Papa, how the Markovka?
Yes, no. Nathan, beans. Come on.
See how the Markovka? He calls me.
Show how you eat, Nathan. Show how you eat. Eitan, now it's your turn. The big piece of chicken. Are you coughing now? Open up your mouth.
I don't like.
Okay, come on. Open up your mouth. Open. Okay, you need another bouillon to flush it down. Here, come on. It's not hot already. Come on. Okay, after that, you're gonna go to sleep and rest, okay?
Yeah.
You wanna sleep, right? You were tired. You were falling asleep in the car. Come on. You're almost done, then you can have your time to rest. And then come here.
I'm to draw.
Come here, Eitan. 1, 2.
And then my turn. I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna eat.
1. Drink it. Show mommy how you drink it. No problem. No screaming. No yelling.
No falling.
No fighting. Okay?
And no falling.
No falling. Okay, that's it, mommy. Say goodbye. Say
Mama, see you later.
until later. Okay, so.